Hello everyone, it's Monday, September 21st from Chicago. I'm Charles Brown, Portfolio Manager with CB3 Financial. You are here for our Monday Market Mashup, or should I call it the Monday Market Smash Up, because so much has happened since I last saw you on Thursday night. So much going on. Glad you're here for this. Those of you that are here for the first time, be sure you subscribe to us on YouTube. Click that button that has a little bell on it so that you get the alerts when I'm going live or when I upload one of these videos. Also follow us on Twitter. I tweet every day, sometimes twice a day, especially with new developments just in the last 48 hours. Okay, you would think that the coronavirus, or Corona America as I call it, news today would have been the top story, when in fact the European Union is facing a second wave. Look at our cases going down in red and the EU cases going up in blue. That's what caused the market to tank, at least until the very end of the day, when there was a pretty heroic effort by the NASDAQ to overcome the opening day losses. At one point, the Dow was down just short of 1,000 points. It didn't finish up there, finished up with about half that, but we'll get to that in a second. Anyway, you would think that was the top story of the day, but it was not. Then let's look at the U.S. economy, and that would be the markets. Well, the NASDAQ at the end of the day today still up 20% on the year. S&P up 1.6, Dow down almost 5 now, and the Russell down 11. Not terribly unsuspecting here, but in this almost 10% drawdown from the top in the S&P, which would be a real correction if we hit that minus 10% down, NASDAQ still up 20% on the year. So how are we doing during this day? This is from one of our client accounts. It's a capital growth account. The Dow was down 1.84%. As you can see, CG today was up 1.74%. That's an enormous spread. That's a pickup of 350 some points versus the index. And that's why I ask you guys to tune in on Thursday so you can follow what we're doing and how we are not necessarily trading what everybody else in the market is trading, and how we're doing it not being fearful. It doesn't mean I'm being reckless. It just means that we are looking for opportunities even when the markets are skittish. And you would think that this recovery in our program, which is a great story, would be the top story right now, but it is not. Is it the 2020 election? Well, Biden and Trump going against each other. President Trump will be in Ohio in just a short time. Biden's heading to Wisconsin. I mean, everybody's in these swing states. That's what you're expecting, right? And when those two debate a week from tomorrow night, those first 30 minutes are probably the most important 30 minutes of the entire campaign. At least that's my assessment. You would think that this is the top story right now, but that is not the case. This is the top story. Ruth Bader Ginsburg passing away on Friday leaves an open seat on the Supreme Court. Of course, the Republicans want to fill it. The Democrats will do everything they can to prevent that from happening, because it would move the court to 6-3 on the conservative favor. Why do I mention this on a financial program? Because just when we thought maybe the volatility in the market was coming down, it's going to do nothing but stay at this accelerated pace now all the way at least through November 3rd and probably into December. I believe the courts will decide this election not on the 3rd of November, but sometime in December. I hope I'm wrong, but that's what I think right now. And I do think that we will have a 9-person Supreme Court to do that. Hope you guys will stay with me on Thursday nights. And I'm going to read from how I usually close my Thursday night. This will be the first time I've ever done it on a Monday, but I think it's important, from 2 Timothy. For we have not been given a spirit of fear, but a spirit of power, love, and a sound mind. Folks, we're going to need all that and more to get through these next few months of turbulence in America. But as I have said since the first episode, it is my strongly held, deeply held belief that we will not only survive this pandemic, this political uproar, and this social unrest, and we will emerge a stronger nation after this very difficult time. Really appreciate you being with us tonight. Again, be sure that you join us on Thursday night where I'll have a full discussion. It looks like the Supreme Court nominee from President Trump will not happen by Thursday night. It's going to be Friday or Saturday. I may even do an update over the weekend. We'll see. I'm Charles Brown, Portfolio Manager with CB3 Financial. From COVID to politics to clarity, this is CB3 Live and the Monday Market Mashup.